We are pleased to show you the 2015 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, door courtesy lights, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.